Hello happy people, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. Now in the coming video series, I'm going to release a complete hotel booking tutorial, and this tutorial is actually a follow-up on my previous hotel booking tutorial that I released, which was actually free for anyone who wanted to start out. But now I received a couple of questions on how people can integrate their hotel booking website with payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and to enable your clients to pay with their credit cards. And it's one of the reasons as to why I've come back to make a complete other hotel booking tutorial. And this tutorial, you're going to watch it in series, whereby if you want to create accommodations, you create the accommodations. There is a specific video on that. If you want to basically to integrate other services your hotel offers, there is a specific tutorial for that. If you want to integrate with other online travel agencies, of course there is also a tutorial for that, and a lot more. So let me show you exactly what we'll be building. Please don't forget that our hotel booking website is going to be completely using Elementor, and over here we'll be creating our header just like this, creating our logos, adding search images, adding a check availability widget over here whereby your visitors can easily search up for available accommodations and they can easily book over right here. And of course we will be able to list our accommodations over here, and we'll also indicate like the starting price, so that when someone wants to book this room, they will exactly know the list price just from here at the home page to know which price they can actually start with to book this specific accommodation. I'll also show you how to add other couple services on your hotel booking website. We'll add a footer just like this. The single accommodations will be listed on the accommodations page, and I'll show you how to do that exactly. And of course there will be a gallery for each and every accommodation, and of course people can easily navigate through the different images, read about the accommodation, their amenities, and of course all the details about that specific room. And I will show you exactly how to list each and every room on your accommodations page. I'll show you how to create a single accommodations page that looks beautiful just like this over here, with a description, all the images over here, and they can also open up in a light box, which looks really interesting. Down here I'll show you how to add an availability calendar, whereby if someone wants to book this accommodation, they will immediately see when the accommodation is actually available to book, and automatically down here they will have the option to reserve a room for themselves by checking for the availability of that specific accommodation. I'll show you also all the steps on how you can manage your bookings, to see the available bookings, the booking calendar, creating coupons, adding booking rules, the taxes and fees, syncing calendars with other online travel agencies, and a lot more. Now on the side of services, I'll show you how to create services or extra services that your clients can book with their accommodations. Once someone is going to book an accommodation, they can also add extra services like sightseeing, the gym, massage, a city walk tour, and all that. And of course these will be added as extra charges on the total price of the accommodation. I'll show you exactly how to create a contact page for your hotel booking website, whereby your clients or your website visitors are able to contact you through this contact form and get their queries, of which you can always respond to. And of course I'll show you exactly how to integrate with your favorite payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, Braintree, and a lot more. So in the coming days, please wait for this coming tutorial series on how you can easily create your hotel booking website. And not only that, I'll also show you how to enable your website visitor or someone who has booked an accommodation, how they can cancel and how they can manage their reservation. So thank you so much, and I can't wait to release out these tutorials for you and also read feedback from you. Have a good time. See you in the coming series. Goodbye.